Okay, good afternoon. I think I have enough people here that I'm going to get started. My name is Tom Pizer. This is the first time I've ever done anything like that, so you should have to bear with me while I get into this. I'm going to just share a few things that I learned from the first challenge that I got into. And there's a few spots that I just want to let you know about that. I've watched people that build funnels, they send them around, and what you end up with is some pretty ugly funnels for the first time around, and this is going to help you get away from that ugly funnel, those first time ugly funnels. So one thing, once you get into Clickfunnels, once you get your, I went a little bit too fast there, but one thing I found here with, and I'm just going to pick one funnel here. This is one that a lot of us may have been working on, but once you go into a funnel and you want to edit a page, you'll, especially some of the funnels that you get that are shared through Clickfunnels, when you go into the settings, look under the SEO metadata, and you'll see that it's going to say Sales Funnel Mastery Course, free Clickfunnels course. Some of the shared funnels will have mother funnel on them. Mother funnel isn't what you want to name your funnel. Mother funnel will probably not be indicative of what you are selling on that page. So it is not maybe even what you want to call that funnel. So there's where you're going to change the title, change the description, and you can also change the social image on it. Down here you can see there's the social image for this page. You can actually go in and change that to something else. Very simply, going in here, there's some stock pictures that I have that I've uploaded, and you can pick those. You can go grab some of the stock images that are already uploaded, just basic clip art. That's just one thing that I wanted to share with you that some people may not know. The other thing that I found when I was looking at a page, if you go in between the mobile and your desktop, make sure that the links are the same in both sides, on the mobile and on the desktop. I had a gentleman share a funnel with me to be an affiliate for his product, and it was a great funnel. It looked great. It worked great. He did a lot of business off it. I didn't realize that, and this was only after I was told this by someone else, was that the mobile links may not be the same as what's on the desktop site. Sure enough, when I went back after I realized I'd promoted this, I'd done Facebook ads, and I went back and I looked, and sadly, it had his link on it. So he would never know exactly what proportion of people, whether it was 2 or 3 that went to his site from my, the funnel that I was promoting, or if it was, his funnel itself. So that was something I lost. I want to make sure that nobody else has that happen. Also, the other thing I found with going in between my Pixel phone, my wife's Samsung, and a friend's Apple is that the mobile site did not appear to be exactly the same on those phones as it does on the Clickfunnels preview page. So you may want to check it out on your own phone just to make sure that what you're seeing on the mobile site is the same that you're going to see on your mobile, because on mine, the text was jammed together, a little bit of tweaking, and it looked much better. Another thing, if you're going into, once you have your Clickfunnels, your free account, you're going through the 14-day trial, there's something that I found was very helpful. Get a free t-shirt out of this as well. This is something that you can find out about. Once you go into the dashboard, and if you go way down here to the bottom, so new week, there's nothing up there for me. That's going to change. But if you look at this legacy dashboard, When you go into there, you will find the wonderful and often neglected ClickFunnels game. It's going to go through and it's going to make you update some of the settings on your ClickFunnels account to make sure you've got your address in there, your name in there, t-shirt size, and whatever. And then you're going to go through and do a number of different challenges and claim a t-shirt, build the hero funnel, go through the cookbook, Funnel University 101, and then a launch checklist. Some very basic things you can do in an afternoon quickly. Get a t-shirt, some stickers, and just a little added bonus for you. Now, going back to the other thing is, this is my backstory right here. Very simple thing that everyone can get is, for any browser, is the Grammarly plugin. Now, getting rid of the version history, but when you look down here, went a little too quick for myself. When you look at your document, you open it up. When you receive it from anyone, and I will not call out anyone, somebody had sent me a copy of terms and conditions, which was, it's a legal document. You need to have one on your site. That's one thing you're going to have to look in for eventually down the road. But there was a number of spelling mistakes, there's actually, you'll notice a little number down here in the corner which says 8, means there's 8 mistakes in the document. And they're going to be highlighted in red way down here at the bottom. Anyways, there was this document, legal document full of spelling mistakes. And very quickly, you can just scroll through your document, whether it's a copy and paste, fix it all up, and everything's going to be, that much more professional for your customers to look at. Your contacts, your clients, leads. And the other thing is go through, set up if you're in, if you're using Chrome, set up an incognito page, test your site, test it again and again and again, make sure all the links are there, that you are going to the proper page that you designed. And the final thing is that when you are working on your one funnel away challenge, watch, pause, do. When Julie is saying something, when Russell's saying something, if they're going through and you're working on something and they're telling you to do this on a page, pause the video, go to another tab and do it. This is how I set my office up at home. The TV is unplugged. What I use, my laptop, and I put my scripts on there, so when I'm doing a video, I have my mouse on my knee and I can just scroll through my screen. Makes everything work a little better, which is something I'm not doing today. This is completely off script. And then I have a funnel that I'm working on and a video that I'm watching to tell me what I'm doing, or what I'm supposed to be doing, and the ever-present copy of .com secrets. So, and one final thing, and this is a big thing for me, is that if you are, this is a big life-changing decision for you to get into this course, to change your life, to do a lot of things for your family, for the people around you, for your business, for your future. If you find that your support network at home or around you, your friends, are all like, oh yeah, cool. Is this going to be the next big one? Yeah. This is the people who are helping you. We are here in these groups, whether you're in, whatever funnel groups that you are in Facebook. If you can find people that you can identify which are in your age group, which are in your niche, in another part of the world, another part of the country, maybe if you're in some of the bigger centers where you can get together and share funnels, share experiences, that's going to make everything so much easier for you. Don't hesitate to put it out there, because this is all about support. This is all about you. So you can do this. Lean in. You will do it. Catch Steve's calls every day. They are gold. Okay? Hope you're having a great day. I hope this helps you. Life is good. Have a great one.